I'ma get there, why you gonna ask me? You're my homeboy and you wanna blast me. This is my life, this is my block, this is my life, this is my Glock. Why is this life always against me? Devil's mind, always wanna face me. I'ma get there, I just gotta stay tough. I'ma get there even though life is rough.
Once you hit the line, you stay waiting for your turn. And every time you smoke, you feel like your lungs burn. Feeling sick to your stomach, you know you wanna vomit. You see your own goal, but how can you run it? How can you survive the pain and the stress? You do what you love, you don't even take the rest. But people see you differently, they don't get your point. You lose hope for your life, then you smoke a joint. Then you see others doing something, getting somewhere. Life got no roads, it's only one way. One day you keep saying every time when they ask you. First they give a fuck about you and they wanna blast you. You don't understand what's the pain of this man. He keeps on getting nowhere and it's like goddamn, I ain't bugging much, life is not meant to be fair. That's why I smile and say I'ma get there.
I'ma get there, why you gonna ask me? You're my homeboy and you wanna blast me. This is my life, this is my block, this is my life, this is my Glock. Why is this life always against me? Devil's mind, always wanna face me. I'ma get there, I just gotta stay tough. I'ma get there even though life is rough.
Pitam se brate kako da stignem do cilja, kada čeka me taj put duži od 1000 milja. Stalno jedna ista priča, sećanja se vrate brate. Čim kreneš svi te gaze, znaš me, znam te, sagledaš to stanje. Ipak trudiš se dalje da ostaneš i budeš svoj, al đavo znake ti šalje da staneš, da padneš brate. I da te nema više, sanjaš grob na crnom pločniku, tvoje ime piše. Jednom kada padneš, znaj da ćeš teško ustati. I svaki sljedeći put staćeš i nećeš uspjeti. I opet tražiš to rešenje, a njega nigde nema, ostao si sam brate. Tu dileme nema, listovi se okreću i tako dani nam prolaze. Pokušati opet ću, al već sam predvideo poraze. Kako god bilo ne može mi biti gore. Sijan punim sjajem braćo moja, vidimo se gore.
I'ma get there, why you gonna ask me? You're my homeboy and you wanna blast me. This is my life, this is my block, this is my life, this is my Glock. Why is this life always against me? Devil's mind, always wanna face me. I'ma get there, I just gotta stay tough. I'ma get there even though life is rough.
Znam do cilja teško je jer sranja uvek tu su, ali boriš se za svoje ko što bodlje štiti ružu. Puno licemernih osoba pružit će ti ruku, kada počnu da tonu želeće da te povuku. Stalno gledamo na gore pitajući kuda sada, kada ulice su puste a nema ni jednog znaka. Brate nije mi sve jedno, život prolazi kod traka. Mikrofon je uključen al nigde moga glasa, zato ostavi se priča koje slušaš svakog dana. Ljudi ljubomorno kenjaju jer to je deo plana. Kad se kompleksi ne leče često završe ko sranja. Ovde sve možeš naći osim pravog poštovanja. Svaki put je uvek pogrešan jer pravi ne postoji, zato pazi svoju senku, možda druga pored stoji. Tu nema puno priče kada sve je deo trena. Ako sada nisi spreman, sutra već te nema brate.
I'ma get there, why you gonna ask me? You're my homeboy and you wanna blast me. This is my life, this is my block, this is my life, this is my Glock. Why is this life always against me? Devil's mind, always wanna face me. I'ma get there, I just gotta stay tough. I'ma get there even though life is rough. I'ma get there, why you gonna ask me? You're my homeboy and you wanna blast me. This is my life, this is my block, this is my life, this is my Glock.